From an empty space to a modern two-story prefab home built in the heart of the city, fast, efficient, elegant, this is another completed prefab project by Team Icontech designed for a modern urban living. Located right here in Makati City, where space invaluable and smart construction materials. Every great structure starts with the proper groundwork. Dito nagsisimula ang buong proseso from the site preparation, excavation, hanggang sa pag-ready ng area for foundation works. Hindi lang ito simpleng pagtatayo ng bahay, this is strategic planning combined with the modern prefab construction technology. Sa bawat hukay, sa bawat sukat, sa bawat galaw ng team, we make sure na handa ng foundation for long-term durability and stability. Next comes one of the most important parts of the project, the foundation. Strong foundations create strong homes. Maingat na isinasagawa ang steel reinforcement framing at concrete pouring para masigurado ang structural integrity ng buong prefab unit. Unlike traditional construction na madalas tumatagal ng ilang buwan, prefab constructions allow faster progress while maintaining quality and precision. And now the transformations begin. Once ready na ang foundation, nagsimula na ang installation ng prefab structure together with electrical preparations and utility placement. This is where speed and efficiently truly becomes visible from factory-made precision components to actual on-site assembly. In just a few years of time, unti-unting nabuo ang second floor structure. Ito ang isa sa pinakamagandang advantage ng prefab construction. Mabilis ang installation without compromising quality. Habang tumataas ang structure, mas lalong nagiging buhay ang vision ng project. And here's the final exterior to reveal a modern 2-story 6x3 prefab unit featuring a clean architectural design and elegant wooden texture finish. Compact yet premium, simple yet sophisticated, perfect for urban residential use, rental, business, office spaces, and personal living. Inside the unit, you are welcomed by a modern and functional living area designed to maximize space while maintaining comfort and style. Natural lighting, clean finishes, and smart layout planning create a relaxing atmosphere perfect everyday living. Moving into the kitchen area, compact, efficient, and aesthetically modern. Every corner is designed with functionally in mind. Whether for personal use or rental setup, this space delivers both practically and elegance. The bathroom features a clean and modern design with efficient space utilization. Simple details, quality finishes, and comfortable layouts complete the modern prefab experience. And finally, the personal space, a cozy and peaceful area designed for a rest, privacy, and comfort despite the compact footprint on the unit. The interior remains open, breathable, and premium looking. This is the proof modern prefab homes can deliver both style and functionally in the one smart investment. From groundbreaking to completion, this project reflects the future of smart construction. Faster build time, modern aesthetics, efficient space planning, and reliable quality. This is not just a prefab house, it's a modern solution for a modern living. Planning to build your own prefab home for investment property? Message Team Icontech today and let's turn your vision into reality. Build wiser, build faster, build with Icontech.